Aloha and welcome to Caddell Cuisine. I'm Chef Nadia Caddell. I'm a personal chef on the beautiful island of Kaua'i, and today I'm going to take you through how to make our passion fruit or lilikoi syrup. Go ahead and follow along with our cookbook and let's get started. So for this recipe, you are going to need a small sauce pot, a measuring cup, some passion fruit juice or lilikoi juice, and some sugar. Now, one of the things I like to do is make sure that I pour in the ingredients directly into the pan, not needing to mix them beforehand. I can always mix it in the pan, but one of the little things I learned, a lesson maybe that you can take from me, is it's probably better to pour in your sugar first and then your juice. Reason being that once the juice is poured into your measuring cup, the rest of the sugar sticks to the cup. Maybe it's just me and my OCD, but that kind of bugs me. So if you want to avoid that, go ahead and just do the opposite of what I just did and add your sugar first. Either way, it's fine. I can just, like you can see, scrape the edges and everything's fine. No big deal. But most importantly, you want to definitely mix this all in, incorporate this fully on a really low heat, maybe low to medium if you're wanting to have this go a little faster, but the main thing is to really make sure that this sugar melts. You can always add a little bit more sugar if you want it thicker. This is a 2-to-1 ratio, so it's a pretty good syrup consistency, but lilikoi or passion fruit is notoriously bitter, so adding this sugar is really a nice way to just balance the flavors. Once that's boiled for that 15, 20, even 30-minute time, you can let that cool and then set yourself up with a squirt bottle, a funnel, and then slowly pour that in. I always love to do this with our syrups. It really helps to be able to later put a little piece of tape and label it with the type of syrup it is, the date that you made it, and it just really helps to be able to know how long you're able to kind of keep using it. And typically these syrups last at least 1 to 3 months, but it all really depends on how fast you use it as well. So you can label and date that, and then go ahead and find other fun recipes like our lilikoi Aperol Spritz. All right, aloha!